Hey there, packaging enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of packaging to explore a game-changing innovation, the new sheeter machine. This isn't your grandma's sheeting machine. It's a revolution, and we're about to uncover why. Now, let me set the stage for you. Picture this. A high-tech wizard that takes massive rolls of material and transforms them into precisely sized sheets in the blink of an eye. That's the new sheeter machine. It's not just about chopping up paper, it's about precision, efficiency, and taking your packaging game to the next level. Let's talk mechanics. The new sheeter machine boasts a state-of-the-art cutting mechanism that rivals even the most skilled human hands. It's all about precision, ensuring that each sheet is the exact size it needs to be. No more wasted material, no more uneven edges. Just perfect sheets ready to be turned into flawless packaging. But here's the kicker: versatility. This machine isn't a one-trick pony. It can handle various materials with ease: paper, cardboard, plastic, you name it. Whether you're crafting delicate packaging for electronics or sturdy boxes for shipping, the new sheeter machine has got you covered. Now, let's talk efficiency. In the fast-paced world of packaging, time is money. The new sheeter machine understands that, and it's designed to work at lightning speed without compromising on quality. It's a productivity powerhouse, churning out sheets faster than you can say, packaging perfection. And it's not just about the machine, it's about the people behind it. The new sheeter machine isn't here to replace workers. It's here to enhance their capabilities. By automating the sheeting process, it frees up skilled workers to focus on more intricate tasks, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the packaging industry. But what about the technology? The new sheeter machine isn't stuck in the past. It's equipped with the latest advancements, from smart sensors ensuring every cut is precise to a user-friendly interface that makes operating this behemoth a breeze. Technology isn't just a buzzword here. It's a reality that elevates the entire packaging process. Now, let's take a moment to celebrate success stories. Companies that have embraced the new sheeter machine are reporting significant improvements in production speed, material efficiency, and overall product quality. It's not just a machine, it's a catalyst for success in the competitive world of packaging. Before the new sheeter machine, we faced efficiency challenges, slow production, material waste, and tough competition. Not until we invested in the new sheeter machine and boom! Production time slashed, material waste minimized, and suddenly they were outperforming competitors. But it's not just about numbers. The precision of the new sheeter machine elevated product quality and freed up skilled workers for more creative tasks, boosting morale. Investing in innovation transformed Spectrum Custom Packaging from struggling to thriving. So, there you have it, folks. The new sheeter machine, a marvel of modern packaging technology. It's not just a machine, it's a game changer, a precision instrument, and a symbol of efficiency in the world of packaging. If you're in the business, this is the future knocking on your door. Thanks for joining me today on this journey through innovation. If you found this video helpful or intriguing, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more exciting updates from the world of packaging, and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, happy packaging, and I'll catch you in the next video.